Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a part 2 version. I know everyone wants to know. I shared a video with you guys as a product review of Oktini wheat grinder. In typical Punjabi, we call it Chakki. Once you're going to see it, you're going to fall in love with it. And you're going to say, wow, I really want one. I'm going to show you the whole process, how I grind my own wheat, how I make homemade fresh flour at home. It's very debatable. People's going to say, wow, why do we need this grinder mill? Why do we need the Chakki? Very simple. This will give you a fresh flour. And best of all, whenever you need, you make your own flour. We are so much used to of everything. You know, I know. Everything has expiry date. Even the wheat flour, the store-bought Atta, we go to store and buy 20-pound bag or 50-pound bag or 10-pound bag. It has expiration. It sits in our closet for a long period of time. Then we need our dough. We make bread, we make roti, we make chapati, we make naan, prantha. I mean, name it. So many things we make out of flour. But once you need it, then what is the time frame? It does not last long. For 1 day or 2 days, for the best uses, then we discard it if it's left over. So similar scenario, when you have a wheat, it's a fresh wheat, and we grind it, it becomes a flour, and it does have expiry date. After certain days, all the nutrients, the healthy nutrients which we consume it, which helps our immune system to grow and feel better, those nutrients goes away. So what exactly happens? Eating a flour which is expired. This one is happening generation to generation, and we are so much addicted and used to of using store-bought flour. But once you will find out the actual meaning, then you're going to realize it. Yes, I do need a wheat grinder at home. At my own comfort, I can make my own fresh flour. And trust me, when you're going to eat roti, chapati, pulka, naan, I mean, name it. Whatever you make out of the fresh flour, you're going to enjoy it. It will be better for your body. The health reason, I don't have to detail out any nutrition. You will find out yourself. So without wasting any time and delay, I'm going to share with you how do I make my own homemade fresh flour. And I did receive the wheat. I did order it from Amazon. I'll provide the link in case if you are interested. I'm trying many different wheats. There are many wheats out there. I mean, name it, you will find out this wheat. Some are better texture, some are darker texture. I got this wheat and I'm going to share with you. Just got delivered today. This is the big box. It's a 52 pound. I'm going to cut it open. This is a Gold wheat, and this is from Wheat Montana Farms, and this is non-GMO, all natural wheat. You really don't need to wash it. These are clean wheat. Right after the wheat you receive in the bags, that you need the storage container to store it, and you make your fresh atta. So I'm going to show you, once I make atta, then we make a dough and we make a roti. I'm going to take out 4 cups and we're going to push this wheat on the side. So let me close in. We take a look, this is the wheat. I got it, and it's a fresh wheat. Good thing about this machine, this one has the adjustment tool. You press it down all the way. It's a really fine. If you need a little bit coarse, bring it up a little bit, just like this. But we're going to start right here. One important step is when you're grinding, that time you don't want to mess around with the grindstone, the setting. Either the mill itself is empty and also totally stopped. You really don't need any preventive maintenance. As for cleaning, this one has a built-in brush. Once it's cleaned, it cleans up the grindstone itself. So as for the handling, is very simple. You just plug in into the outlet. Once you plug in into the outlet, we are ready to go. It has on-off switch, and I will bring you in a close-up so you can see it exactly how it happens. When we are done with this one, please don't keep it next to the water because this one is wooden. And I mentioned to you in the previous video that why did I bought a wooden? There is the plastic ones, there is a stainless steel as one, but my lady wants it to match with her cabinets. So that's the reason we got it. So now I'm going to show you, and you will see, and you're going to really like it. And once I'm gonna done, then I have a machine. We're going to knead the dough. If you don't have a machine, you can do it by hand. I have posted many videos how to make a dough. It has exact proper measurements. If you have 1 cup of wheat flour or 2 cups, how much you need of water, and everything is detailed out. So I'll provide those links under my description, so please check it out. And let's start making our homemade fresh flour. So now we're going to remove the cover. We'll add the wheat. It looks a really small ball, but if you look at this, takes 4 cups of wheat. So now we're going to put the cover. That's it, and we're going to start it. Look at how fast, efficiently, and if we look at on the top, this one you really don't need to cover it, but it's a good idea to put the cover on so the wheat don't fall out. And look at that, how refined. It's a fresh homemade flour. I'm going to leave this open to show it to you as well so you can see it how long it will take. I'm going to fast forward the whole step of this. I'll let you know how long exactly it took us. So I'm just going to turn around. Look at this. It took us exactly 5 minutes to do the 4 cups. There's no more wheat coming out. You turn it off and it's all done. So this is a 4 cup of atta, and this is a fresh flour. And if you want to make like 1 cup, 2 cup, and it wouldn't take that long, it will take 1 to 2 minutes. Fresh roti right out of your Chakki. Once you will find out how it's easy to get your own fresh homemade atta, you're going to like it. If you do have any question, please comment below, and I will try my best to answer each and every one. Like always, I do it, but it's very unfortunately I'm getting the comments that I don't answer people. That is not true. As you've seen in the past, my YouTube account was hacked and the hacker has deleted all the comments. So I lost all the comments. From bottom of my heart, I always appreciate my subscriber, my followers, my well-wishers being there and supporting Easy Step. You seen it? How it's easy and how efficiently we can make homemade fresh atta. So now I'm going to start my other machine. This is the 4 cup goes in there. At this moment, I'm not going to share with you, as I mentioned, that how much water do I need to put it in. I'm just going to see how much is going to need it. I'll provide you the links for exact dough measurement. If it's 1 cup, how much you need water. If it's 2 cup, how much you need. And I'm going to start kneading the dough, and we're going to keep it on slow speed. Let the machine do the work and we'll come back later. Brings the roti chapati more softer. I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. So I'm going to use like 1 teaspoon. Not too much. I'll show you the dough is completely kneaded, and then we're going to let it rest the dough for 10 to 15 minutes so it's proof of batter. Then we're going to make a roti. Dough is already kneaded, and we're going to turn off the machine. So once we transfer into the separate bowl, we're going to let it sit for like 10 minutes. And then after 10 minutes, we're going to start making rotis. After kneading the dough, we let it rest for 10 minutes. Now we're going to make roti. So once we put the roti on griddle, tawa, and we make another peda and we start making it. And if you look at that roti close in, look at how nicely look at how beautiful, nicely puffed roti. So this is a perfect roti when you make it with the home fresh flour. So look at that, how delicious. And now we're going to apply some butter, and then we're going to serve it. And this is the second roti is ready. So as you start making roti, the timing gets set. And if you look at now, and look at how fresh roti, and if I can show it to you, look at this. This is homemade fresh roti from fresh flour. This is perfect. And if we look at the second one, now that one is ready, and look at that, how nicely getting puffed. So once it's you're making a roti and you will enjoy eating it. And definitely I will encourage each and everyone to make their own fresh flour and to make roti. And let me wrap up this video. So I'm going to share with you the next video later on. My lady will be keep cooking, and I'm going to finish up the video. So as you've seen, we just to make it 2 rotis. My lady, she really make it quickly. I wanted to wrap up the video. This is a really fresh roti, and I mean, this is really delicious, just as is. This is really good. This is the first time I'm trying this wheat, and I like it, this one better than the previous one I used. So I hope you're going to enjoy the fresh homemade flour as I do. If you found this video to be helpful, please like and share this video. I just wanted to share with you, as for the general health, this is the best thing to do if you can do it yourself. You make your living, you work hard for your life, and if you don't eating right stuff, that is no good. So if you have the awareness and you can do it, then why not? So this is the step. It's a motivation video as well. I would say you can make your own homemade fresh flour. So thank you again. I'm going to say goodbye to each and everyone, and thanks for supporting Easy Step. And if you want to see my Sheru Alaskan Malamute and DIY videos, please click on my other channel, Sidhu DIY. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.